Welcome back to your Step Up Math class. Today we will learn more about fractions. Here we have an example. Look at the circle. Count the number of parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 parts in one whole. It is equally divided in 7 equal parts. So, let's count the number of the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means the shaded part represents 4/7 of the circle. We used to write it as 4 by 7. Heta hianin circle kan en hianin part pasaria a in ang vekina in chena chuanin a shade lai a color lai a hi kan siar khanin 4 ani. Chuwan chuanin shade part chuanin 4 by 7 a entira. Unshaded parts kan siar le ang a in chei lo lai 1, 2, 3. Chuwangin unshaded parts chuanin 3/7 ka a represent vele ni a entir vele ti na ni. In the denominator, we write the total number of parts in the circle. Denominator a han 7 kan zia na chan chu circle kha a part zong zong in za ta nge a in chen ti kha kan chiara 7 na ni wangin denominator a chuanin 7 kan zia ka ni. Here we have another example. We have 10 marbles, and out of those 10 marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 marbles were colored in orange color, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marbles are colored with blue. Heta hi chuanin collection kan ti ang kha lo ni vele thunga ni awm zia zon collection a chuanin thil pakhat atanga kan zai thla ke mo kan lak chen ti na ni lawa. Heta chuanin thil pakhat kha tam taka lo om ta a collection kan ti chuanin a om khom ani. Chuwan chuanin fraction kan siam don chuanin a number anga kan chhiar anga ni heng hi chu mun khata ni china circle a part shang shanga in chen kha hole ania chuanin hei hi chu collection ani ve thung ti na ni. Here we have a table which shows how to write fraction in figures and words, how to take fraction of a collection and fraction of a whole. First is 2/3, second 3/4, third 4/5, and in the fourth one we have 5/7, and in the fifth we have 6/8, and in the sixth we have 8/9. Fraction of collection le fraction of whole kan zira chuanin a table ma sabera hianin fraction hi engtin nge kan zi ang ti le a word cha zia dan min shila ti hian fraction a collection kha 2/3 om dan min shila ni collection a khanin chuan whole a po khanin 2/3 om dan kha aron entir bokani. Your assignment will be from exercise 6.3, question number 91. You can do question number 1 and 2 in your workbook itself. In question number 1, we have write the fraction of the shaded parts. We need to count the number of all the parts, and we need to count the number of the shaded parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 total parts. And let's count the number of the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means we have a fraction 5 by 9. 5 is the number of the shaded parts, and 9 is the total number of parts in which the square is divided. You can write the number of the fractions beside the figures. Question number 1 hi chu textbook a khatikha in tianga fraction in hu chwa kha a figure si ra khanin in lo jak mai don ni. Question number 2, color the figure to show the given fractions. In question number A, we have the fraction 8 by 12. The denominator 12 represents the total number of parts in which the whole thing is divided, and 8 represents the number of the shaded parts. So we're going to color 8 parts. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to color 8 parts. Hey, question number 2, here question number 1. That ling chi akhan ania. Question number 1 a chuanin aron in color a fraction kan zia ka. Question number 2 a chuanin a fraction a in zia ka kan color ve thung don ani. You will do question number 1 and 2 in your textbook. Draw 2 lines for your name and for today's date. Today is 8 January. Exercise 6.3. Question number 3. Write the given fraction in words. Nisina kan zir to a fraction ka eng angin nge words in kan zia don kan ti kan say to a. In question number A, we have 2 by 3. 2 by 3 kan ti a kan say dan chuanin 2 by 3 kan ti to pa words a kan da don chuanin 2/3 din kan zia angay ani. Question number A, 2 by 3, and put hyphen and write 2/3. You don't need to make a long line. You don't need to draw a line after each question. Leave one line and write question number B, 3 by 5. So in words, 3 by 5 will be 3/5. When you finish till question number E, you will draw a long line. Question number B apo hianin 3/15 kan zia kang pakhat kan zia zo zela khan line kan draw lawanga. E kan zo huna 7 by 9 kan zo huna hianin long line kan draw chawang. Question number 4. Write the given fractions in figures. Hemi hianin nichina kha chuanin figures in in zia ka chuan a words kan ziak ve thunga heta chuanin a words in a ron ve, and we will write it in a figures. We will write 1 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. Question number 4, your assignment will be till question number E, 11, 16. Question number 5, write the fraction for the shaded and unshaded parts. Let's count. Question number A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 figures. Then let's count the number of the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have the shaded parts. We have the fraction of the shaded parts. Shaded parts is 6 and the total number of parts is 13. So the shaded part is 6 by 13. Then count the number of the unshaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the fraction for the unshaded parts will be 7 by 13. We will write the answer like this. The shaded is equal to 6 by 13. Semicolon. Unshaded is equal to 7 by 13. You don't need to draw a long line after each question. When you finish till question number D, you will draw a long line. In question number D, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 total parts, and count the number of the shaded parts and write it in the fraction. Ama kan ti to ang khanin kan siaranga chuanin shaded parts le unshaded parts a khan fraction kan zia kang. Submit your assignment today before 10 p.m. Thank you.